Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Hair is dry, clean, and free of heavy products. This helps the roots grab and lock. First, divide into manageable sections. Use clips and label them so you don't rework areas. Once done, pick the first section and palm roll or interlock the root to create an initial base. This gives structure and prevents loose roots. Make sure to work methodically from back to front, so tension is consistent, and you can monitor formation as you go. You now focus on the core technique, alternate palm rolling with controlled interlocking to create compact, lasting cores. When loose hairs persist, carefully use a 0.61 mm crochet hook, pick a few fibers and pull them into the core. This reduces fuzz. Once you've formed the mid-shaft, run your fingers along the length to check for thin spots, then reinforce them with targeted interlocks. Keep tension even, too tight damages follicles, too loose delays locking. You finish by sealing and maintaining. Palm roll each dread daily for the first month, then weekly, and wash with a residue-free shampoo. Always dry completely to avoid mildew. After 2-4 weeks, trim excess fuzz and check roots. If a dread thins, reinforce it immediately with extra interlocks or small extensions so shape remains consistent. One key troubleshooting tip. If a section consistently unravels, reduce tension and rebuild the core gradually. Aggressive fixes often cause breakage, so be patient and precise.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.